So this is a really quick and fast video on how to change the rear wiper blade on the Ford Explorer 2015. So this may appear that this can flip 90 degrees, but it really can't, and if you force it you might break it. So what you need to do is this wiper just kind of snaps in place. So what you need to do is just grab a screwdriver or a flathead, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but right in the middle of where this this wiper is you just get a small flathead screwdriver and just kind of wedge it in there and pry it off. I guess maybe better way to show you is if I showed you with the new piece and how it's going to look and where you need to pry it off from. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to grab a skinny flathead, just get rid of here. So you're going to want to insert it here and then just pry it off of the arm. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I got the new one in. That was about the only thing that was preventing me from getting the car inspected and getting a new set of stickers. So should be able to do that maybe sometime this weekend.